Global Family Day is celebrated on January 1st every year. It was established by the United Nations in 1994 to promote awareness of issues relating to families and to increase the importance of intergenerational relationships and solidarity between generations. The day aims to encourage people to spend time with their families on New Year's Day. It promotes values such as love, caring, bonding, and togetherness with the family. In today's busy world, where people are increasingly isolating themselves, Global Family Day stresses the importance of strong family ties and relationships. Many families have special traditions to celebrate Global Family Day. Some families get together for a special brunch or dinner. Others play board games, watch movies, or take a family walk together. Some families create a family tree or family history book. People also share photos from the past year and make plans for the year ahead. People give gifts or cards to family members to express their love and appreciation on this day in many countries. Global Family Day celebrates the notion that families are the foundation of society. Strong, united families help create a harmonious and prosperous social order. They provide people with identity, values, and stability in an increasingly complex world. That is why bringing families together and strengthening family bonds is so important. Here is a short story to illustrate the significance of Global Family Day. Jenny was a 12-year-old girl who was angry at her parents for restricting her cell phone use. She barely spoke to them for weeks. On Global Family Day, her grandparents gave her an old photo album filled with pictures of her parents' childhood and wedding. As Jenny flipped through the album, she realized how much her parents loved each other and how they had always put her and her brother first. She began to understand why they enforced rules to protect her. Jenny apologized to her parents and gave them a card thanking them for all their sacrifices. Her parents were deeply touched. They all shared a loving embrace, overjoyed and rekindling their bond. Their family was whole again, thanks to a special day that reminded them of the importance of togetherness. Global Family Day is a meaningful occasion for renewing relationships, forgiving past mistakes, and nurturing the unconditional love that binds families together. This is our painting with all your pastors for this special day. Have a wonderful Global Family Day. Cheers!